Okay, so I have to pause the video right here, guys. You're probably noticing these two black gradients in the corners of the image. This isn't an intentional effect. This is a byproduct of a defect in the variable neutral density filters, the VNDs. So this normally occurs in cheap density filters or when there's a defect. So it hurts me to say, but at the time I didn't notice the defect, and most of the clips that I shot in Rome and in the trip are basically useless. So that's why this video is so short. So let's continue with the clips that aren't affected. So it's a real pity that so many shots were ruined because of this defect in the VND, but I'll take it as a lesson to always check your gear before recording, always check your shot before pressing the button, and also try to invest in the highest quality equipment so you avoid problems like these. Now, on the other hand, I did enjoy a lot of my visit to Rome. It's a fantastic city. For 3 days, my first time visiting, I had a great time just walking around the city. It's fantastic, and also partying with the guys at the hostel, but in particular because I did take some fantastic photography, and I'm quite happy about those. So enough of Italy. Now the next stop on the journey is Croatia, a country that I've never visited and I frankly didn't know much about.